Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me in the garage and again we're working on my little brother Nathaniel. We're getting his first car ready. Now he hasn't passed his test, but we're going to just be working on the car, getting it ready, so when he turns 17 the car's ready to go. Now there's a list of jobs we got to do on it. I explained the story behind the car in the previous video if you're interested, but today we're just going to be changing the spark plugs on the car. You've got to take out these two bolts here, they're both a 10mm, and then there's like pop fittings then on the back of this box. You can slide this pipe off, you can slide that pipe off, and then literally you just pull it, a nice hard square pull straight up, and the airbox pops off. So let me just hand this over. I've already actually popped it off. We have a plastic pipe there. And then here we have the coil packs then. So this is where we get access to the actual spark plugs now. So we've got to basically remove these leads, which come from the coil pack. And then underneath them is where the spark plugs are going to be. Okay, so now we've popped them out of the way, we can see very clearly the 4 spark plugs. Okay, so it turns out they're a 10mm. Now, you don't really need this, but I've got a special spark plug 10mm bit. Now inside is a rubber fitting. So what it does is it sort of squelches onto the spark plug so that you can pick it up and it stays in the socket. If you use a normal one, it'll probably slip out and you'll have to get a magnet in there then to get them out. And here we have one spark plug. And by the looks of that, well, to be fair, it looks okay. So it's clear to see, look, that spark plug there is definitely worn. The clearance is much larger than there is on this spark plug. Okay, so we've reinstalled the spark plug as we took it out with the new ones. You don't really have to do this, just do it like a snug tightness, but if you've got a torque wrench you might as well. It's 15 Newton meters, so we're going to just turn it now till it clicks. Okay, so all the spark plugs have gone back in now. Obviously the same process as when we removed them. So now we're going to put these leads back in. So we just sort of put them in gently first, and once they're all in the right position, then we just push them down until we get a click. So all we're going to do now is put the airbox back on. And we're finished, the easy as that. So we just reinstalled the airbox. Remember to put the breather pipe back in, 2 bolts, and we're sorted. Yeah, that's how you change the spark plugs. And it was about time as well. They look like they had a good life, them old spark plugs. So they're new now. In the next video, we're going to be showing you how to change the oil and filter on a Ford Fiesta. So stay tuned because we're about to start filming it right now.